Do you know how social media makes money? They generate ad revenue from users using their site. Do you know how much they make? In 2020 alone, Facebook made a net income of over $29 billion. That's enough to make a real impact in the world. Well, that's if it wasn't in the hands of greedy billionaires. Well, they deserve it, right? After all, they are doing all the work. Wrong. Do you know why the users are on their sites? They are on there to look at your content, your pictures, your stories, so in reality the work you do, so you are working for them and not even getting paid. This means that Facebook has the largest unpaid workforce in the world. Imagine the impact on the world's income inequality if Facebook shared the revenue back with all the users. Wow, that would be great, but it will never happen. Wrong again. Well, half wrong. Facebook won't ever do it, but other platforms will. The next top platform in the world has already shared half their revenue back to their users, for just using the platform. So why isn't everyone on there yet? Well, they will be. They just don't know about it yet. That is why we want you to tell them about it, and you will be rewarded for that too. They will also pay you when you tell your friends about it. Wow, just wow. So what is this platform called? Webtalk. Webtalk is the next #1 platform in the world, and it will pay you for your time unlike ever before. So what's the catch? There is none. As soon as you join and complete your profile, you will begin to generate revenue. You can simply look at your profile to see how much you are making each day. Webtalk is the next generation of online communication, has millions of users and growing at a rapid pace. You can join today 100% free and begin earning real money as soon as today. Look around this video for a link, or ask one of your friends that is already a member. Because for a limited time Webtalk is invite only, so it gives us a chance to invite more and make even more money. So what are you waiting for? See you on the inside.